Hey loves, it's Brianna. Today's video you're going to be undecorating and taking down all of this spring decor with me. Then we'll be cleaning and decorating for summer 2018. I wanted to make everything super light and fresh around the house for summer, so I'm going to be adding lots of greenery, some yellow lemon citrus decor in the kitchen, some cool blues in the family room, and some patriotic red, white, and blue decor in the foyer for the 4th of July and American summer holidays. Hopefully this will motivate you this Monday and inspire you to have a great week as we head into summer. And since this video is kicking off a summer series of videos on my channel, I'd love for you to let me know in the comments while you watch, what is your favorite summer activity? I need ideas so that I can add them to my bucket list for summer 2018. But I always get asked how I store my decorations, and I get color-coded bins for each season. So for my spring decor, I had green bins, but they didn't have any more at Target, so I had to get these purple tubs. They were around $7, and I'm storing everything that was new this year for spring in these tubs. So I have orange for Halloween and fall decor, I have red and green for Christmas decor, I have pink tubs for Valentine's Day, and now I'll have these purple and green ones for spring. So you get the idea. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button while you watch. It's free. I do lots of fun mommy vlogs and lifestyle videos, and we have so many fun, exciting things coming up this summer that I don't want you to miss. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love cleaning and decorating videos on my channel. And I'll be posting Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 8 a.m. all summer. And if there's ever a different time or a day or a bonus video, I will let you know that on Insta and Twitter. And also, if you're ever interested in what I'm wearing in a video or what the kiddos are wearing or furniture and items that you see in a video, I will always try to link everything that I can find links to that's still available in my description box. So if you're ever looking for a link to something, check the description box first because it might be there, but if not, feel free to ask me in a comment and I will try to find that link or let you know where I got something. All right, it is time to start putting out some of the summer decorations. I'm starting in the foyer. Pretty much everything you see here was either from Pat Catan's, Michael's, or Joann's, minus the home sign was from the Target dollar spot a few years ago. And I found these adorable pillows at Joann's. My husband said they're his favorite. He's also a 4th of July birthday. So the 4th of July and red, white, and blue patriotic decor will always be very special in our household. And yes, I know we need to take some updated family photos to go into that picture frame, but let me know if you like how the foyer area turned out. And if you're into cleaning videos, I have a bunch of spring cleaning videos if you need more motivation after this one. And I know everybody loves the house tour videos, so I can definitely do a summer house tour if you're interested, because I still want to update our deck with some new patio furniture, and we're going to be redecorating my son Landon's bedroom when he gets his big boy bed as soon as he's potty trained. He's doing really great so far, by the way, but we're not going to get the big boy bed until he's officially potty trained. So let me know in the comments if you want a house tour or any other kind of decorating video or any other kind of cleaning or organizing video. I love knowing your ideas and hearing what you're interested in seeing. Again, a lot of the greenery and flowers and decor on here is from Michael's, Packatans, or Joann's, except Pier 1 is where I got those gorgeous blue candle holders and candles. And the candles were a scent called Pineapple Basil. It smells amazing. And I saw this little rose gold pineapple when I was at Hobby Lobby the other day, and I had to pick it up because I thought it was so cute and the perfect addition to this room. And I didn't realize until editing I forgot to take the tag off of that floral arrangement from TJ Maxx. But all of these pillows are either from Target. The navy one was in the clearance section at Pier 1. This faux fur blanket is from Target. It's so soft. Landon says he wants it on his bed. This home pillow was a few years ago at Kohl's, but the white and gold pillows were from Target, and that navy one was from TJ Maxx. It was such a find. And people always ask, that clock is from Kirkland's, and no, it does not work. It always says the same time. But one of my favorite little finds was that sun picture frame from Target. I love the gold and I love the sun for summer. We just need to take some new family photos so that I can put some family summer pictures in these new frames that I got. Moving on to the kitchen, I wanted pops of yellow and lemon and citrus fruits everywhere. That to me just screams summer. I found these towels at Kohl's that had little lemons on them, and this adorable pineapple candle holder was from Pier 1. I found this Hello Summer sign at Joann's, and I thought it was the perfect way to transition that wreath from spring with the butterflies to summer. And then I got all of this greenery at the different craft stores just to add in pops of yellow and green so everything was really fresh. And one of my favorite things to do is change up this 3-tiered stand. The stand itself is from Hobby Lobby, and the majority of things on it are actually all from Hobby Lobby as well. I found these really cute lemonade mason jar holders, some yellow striped straws, and these tiny little yellow tins, as well as just some glass bottles, greenery, and faux lemons, and just sort of made the entire tier lemonade yellow with pops of green for the summer. And that It's Lemonade season sign was from Joann's, and I thought it just tied in the 3-tiered stand and all of the other decor in the kitchen perfectly for summer. As a little reward, I decided to light my favorite Bath & Body Works candles for the summer, both lemon and pineapple scented, so perfect for the decor. Pour myself a glass of red wine to give me that extra inspiration to vacuum and mop the floors. I'll have my vacuum linked down below, which I use when I want to clean quickly like today. Otherwise, I run my Roomba every single night. I'll have that linked too. But I always get asked about my mop, and I use this sort of old school butterfly Clorox mop. I got this at Target, and I just use our hot water dispenser so that it's basically a steam mop. And I use the Method Spray and Mop in Lemon Ginger. I thought the scent went perfect with all of the new citrus and summery decor. But all of my cleaning supplies are from Grove Collaborative. This is not sponsored, but if you would like to check out Grove, you'll get a really nice free gift if you're new, or you can still use that link in the description box if you already order from Grove, and you'll get free walnut scrubber sponges in your next order. And so many of you have made orders from Grove using my links, and I just have to say a huge thank you. When you use my links and support me in this channel, it means the world to me, so thank you. I feel so lucky to have all of you watching this video and being a part of this community. If you want to know what inspires me to clean and decorate besides my family, it's you guys. You're my YouTube family, and I so appreciate you watching, your comments. I'm so grateful that you're here. And even though some days I feel like a total hot mess mom, thank you for pushing me to be the best version of myself that I can be and keeping my home clean and decorated for my family. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button if you like the new summer decor, and I will see you in my next video. I got a ton of requests for the next one, so make sure you're subscribed and have your bell notifications clicked so you know as soon as it's posted, and I will see you then. Bye, loves.
To be young and in love in New York City, do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City, midnight into morning coffee.